when you know what you want to do and you're able to explain it to your stylist, the better that they're able to service you, right? So I'm going to first start cutting her hair here. Do you want long sideburns?
I do.
Okay.
I do.
What about your neckline? Do you want your neckline to lay, or you want more of a razor or
I want it
edge?
to lay. More of a lay, yeah.
Do you want it to lay on your neck, or you want it to be just right at the hairline lay?
At the hairline.
Okay, so that kind of tells me what she wants, okay? Hope you guys are having an amazing Thursday. Today we are doing a pixie cut. So she told me that she wanted to be heavy, so I'm going to go in and on both sides, all the way down to her apex is right here. And I'm going to go ahead and part off that in a U shape. With it being heavy right there, that's going to give me what I'm looking for. I'll be able to round that cut. I hope you guys are having an amazing Thursday. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna, since I kind of know what she wants, I'm gonna relax her edges too a little bit. Because I feel like I want it to really lay good. But since I know what she wants, I'm gonna go ahead and pour her in a U shape all the way around. And I'm gonna go ahead and angle her cut to where it lays towards her face. Okay? And if you have any questions about being Pixie, you can just simply ask me. And I'll be willing to do that for you. Tell me, do you want the sides long or
just
lengthy, but not
lengthy,
like
right,
really
yeah,
short?
Not really short, yeah.
I know you be liking to look in the mirror.
You miss being short?
I do. I mean, I think short is just me. I tried the other styles. I tried the natural. It worked out great for a while, but then I got too relaxed with it and wouldn't keep it up. So I'm going back to who I am.
It's funny you say that. Because so many people trying the natural and then really find out that they really don't like the natural. Yeah, I feel like it could be a little shorter. Don't you think?
Yes.
Good. So sometimes whenever I'm cutting, I'll kind of let them kind of feel it and I'll just go in and start cutting because I want the client to have exactly what they want.
Right.
A little bit shorter?
Just a little bit shorter.
No problem. Looks better.
It feels better already.
And she wanted to kind of lay. So that's good. So since that's my guide, guys, I'm going to go all the way around and do that. It's my guide. So I went along with the guide on the other side, so it's gonna give me the same little length on both sides. If you cut right on one side, you can just go around on the other. And she wanted to lay at her edges, so we don't want to give like a really razor edge look. Perfect. I'll go around her ears. Hope you guys are having an amazing day today. So she want heaviness here, so I'm gonna go at an angle and cut up. Already starting to form here. Pretty. Hey. Yeah, it is therapeutic. Watching cutting hair. It's real therapeutic. Mm-hmm. Huh? What'd you say? Because you will start talking. Hey, T. From about. Wait till y'all see how pretty it is. And I want her to be able to wear it. Do you like to wear your hair on both sides? Or?
I didn't.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I did.
I want her to be able to wear it on both sides. So that's how I'm gonna cut it.
Feels good too.
It feels good.
It feels good.
Thank you, sis. Now, do you want more layers here? Do you want to keep that length or you want to go shorter?
Let's keep it this way and see how that works out for me.
Okay. And I'm giving you that choice because I feel like I want you to get the right,
Right.
you know.
We'll play with it for a couple of weeks and
You'll be shorter. I feel it. I feel like you're going to be shorter.
Yeah, it's not working.
Yeah, definitely feel like you're going to be shorter. Let's put a little light on. Huh?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's probably what I'll do.